Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to log in into your QuickBooks account in 2025. If you're managing your business finances or just getting started with QuickBooks, I'll show you exactly how to sign in safely and access your dashboard fast. Let's get into it. First, open your QuickBooks app or go to the QuickBooks website. Click Sign In at the top right corner. Next, choose the product you're using, like QuickBooks Online, Self-Employed, or Payroll. Enter your email address or user ID. Then type your password and click Sign In. If you set up two-step verification, check your phone or email for a code and enter it to confirm your login. Once you're in, you'll see your QuickBooks dashboard with your recent transactions, sales, and expenses. You can also click on Banking or Invoices from the left menu to start managing your data right away. If you ever forget your password, click Forgot Password on the login page and follow the steps to reset it securely. And that's how you log in to your QuickBooks account in 2025. Simple, secure, and ready for you to manage your business finances anytime. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides. See you in the next one.